Money, it's one of the most important things in life, and yet so many people make terrible mistakes with it. Your money is either working for you or it's working against you. But here's the crazy part. Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes until it's too late. So in this video we're breaking down 7 of the terrible money mistakes people make, and what you should really do to avoid them and grow your wealth this year. Stick around because the last mistake is the one that costs people big time. Mistake 1. Selling your investments when the market drops. Let's start with a big one. The stock market, it's volatile, right? One minute it's up, the next it's down. And when those dips happen, it's so tempting to sell off your stocks. But this is exactly the kind of move that turns a temporary loss into a real loss. If you panic and sell, you're locking in that loss. You're selling when the value is low, and then you'll have to wait for it to recover, which could take a while. So what should you do instead? Stick to your plan. If you're invested in solid assets like the S&P 500 or strong individual stocks, don't freak out over short-term drops. The market always bounces back over time. Stay calm, stay invested, and trust the process. Mistake 2. Waiting too long to start saving for retirement. Retirement. It seems far away, right? Something to worry about much later in life. But waiting to save for retirement is a huge mistake. The earlier you start saving, the more you let compound interest work for you. And trust me, compound interest is a game changer. Let me show you an example. If you're 25 and you start saving $20,000 per year, assuming an 8% annual return, you could have around $2.5 million by the time you turn 55. But if you wait until you're 35 to start saving that same $20,000 per year, you'd only have $980,000 at age 55. That's a difference of $1.5 million just by waiting 10 years. And that's the power of compound interest. So the lesson here? Start saving for retirement now, even if it's just a little bit. The sooner, the better. Mistake 3. Keeping too much cash just sitting around. Cash in hand is nice, it gives you peace of mind. But keeping too much cash just sitting around is a major money mistake. Why? Because inflation is eating away at the value of your money every year. Let's break it down. If inflation is 3% and you're sitting on a pile of cash, that's 3% less purchasing power each year. That means your $100 today is only worth about $97 next year. Over time that really adds up. So what's the solution? Keep enough cash for emergencies. 3 to 6 months of expenses is a good rule of thumb. Anything above that should be invested in assets that outpace inflation like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Your money should be working for you. Mistake 4. Thinking a savings account is an investment. Here's a common misconception. People think that putting their money into a high-interest savings account is a good investment strategy. Sure, 4 to 5% interest sounds nice compared to the 0.01% we used to see, but here's the problem. Even that higher rate can't keep up with inflation. Inflation usually averages around 2 to 3%, so that means your money is growing slower than the rising cost of goods. So, you're basically letting inflation eat away at your future wealth. Instead, think of savings accounts as parking lots for your money. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to move beyond savings accounts and invest in things like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Mistake 5. Taking on unnecessary debt. The enemy, but it can quickly turn into one when you're taking on debt for things you don't really need. Whether it's a new car you can't afford, a big vacation, or other luxuries, financing unnecessary purchases with high-interest debt is a money killer. And right now, with rising interest rates and economic uncertainty, it's even riskier than ever. Here's what you should do instead. Limit your debt to essentials like a mortgage or car loan, and only if you can pay it off quickly. Avoid using credit for things that aren't absolutely necessary. You'll thank yourself later. Mistake 6. Not budgeting for big, predictable expenses. We all know life can throw some surprises at us. But here's the thing, car repairs, medical bills, home repairs, these aren't surprises. These are predictable big expenses that always come up. But the reason people get caught off guard is because they don't plan for them. They put it off and then boom. They're hit with a huge bill that puts them in debt. The solution? Start setting aside money every month for these predictable expenses. Create a fund specifically for things like car repairs, home repairs, and medical bills. That way you're never caught by surprise and you won't need to use credit cards or loans. Mistake 7. Not having a financial plan at all. Here's the bonus mistake that's a total game changer. Not having a financial plan. You wouldn't try to go on a road trip without a map, right? So why do so many people approach their finances without a clear plan? If you don't know where your money is going or what your goals are, how can you expect to reach them? The solution is simple. Start budgeting, tracking your spending, and setting financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or investing for the future, a plan is essential. Even if it's just a basic plan, any plan is better than no plan. Avoiding these mistakes will put you on the fast track to financial success this year. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being smart with your money. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple and effective money tips, and drop a comment below with the biggest money mistake you've seen.